How many homomorphisms are there from Z12 to Z25? There's only one homomorphism from Z12 to Z25, and what is that homomorphism? Is the trivial homomorphism. So what would I call that? Sometimes they just call it 0. 0 as a function, right? It's the thing that sends all elements to 0. Phi of x is equal to 0 for all x. Right? So that's actually a really good question. Is it the kernel of something? Let me come back to that question, because yes. But so how do we know that there's not another homomorphism from Z12 to Z25? What was your reasoning? What's factors? What's factors of what? It doesn't divide. And in the it here, that one of the its that we can talk about is, right, pick the order of an element in Z12. So let me pick the order of 1 in Z12 is 12, right? Then where that element 1 gets sent to, it has to be sent to something whose order is what? A divisor of 12. Order must be a divisor of 12. Well, what are the divisors of 12? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 6 and 12. So I have actually a lot of different options for what the order of the image of 1 can be under a homomorphism. The question is, what can it be under a homomorphism into Z25? Because what element orders exist in Z25? 1 and 5 and 25. Others? No. There are no other possible orders. And even without listing which is which, I'm just going to kind of say all these other elements have order 5 or 25. And we can't get a match. The only way to get a match between the order that it must be, the order that the image must be because this is a homomorphism, and the orders that actually exist in Z25 is to send 1 to the identity. Now, if I send 1 to the identity, what does that tell me about this what does it tell me about this homomorphism? Well, it's definitely not 1-to-1. I agree with that. If phi of 1 is equal to 0, then how do we know, I guess what I'm asking is, how do we know that phi of all x goes to 0? Why does killing 1 end up killing the whole group Z12? Because 1's a generator for Z12, right? And so if we kill a generator, the whole thing falls. It's, I don't want to spoil Game of Thrones, so I won't say it. It's the one thing which, if you kill it, the rest of it falls. I'll let you make the analogy if you've seen the show this past weekend. Right, so that's why. There's only a trivial homomorphism between these two groups.